On the 1st of August 2022, Nabon Women's Synod College celebrated its 26th Foundation Day as well as felicitation ceremony for the first class students on their excellent performance in their BA semester's examination 2022 and the teachers who have rendered 25 years of service or more at Mission Compound Shillong, Meghalaya. Present on the occasion were the chief guests W.C. Kongwir, teachers and students.
Where the essence of wisdom, we strive and aspire. Learn of me, our motto be, day by day to grace of Christ we see. Love, compassion, kindness, seeds of virtue will be